Hello and welcome back to another episode of Clarissa Cooks It All. And on today's episode, we are going to be making some blueberry buckle coffee cake. So let's get started. We're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients together. We're going to mix 2 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then just kind of whisk this all up together and set this off to the side. Then we're going to start mixing our wet ingredients. We're going to start with 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of shortening, and 1 egg. And we're going to cream this all together and get this all nice and mixed up. Once we have that all done, we're going to start working on adding our flour and our milk in here separately. We're going to start with the flour first, and we're going to continue to keep doing this back and forth between the flour mixture and the milk until it's all in there. Once you have your batter all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and make our topping real quick. We're going to use 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of butter, along with 2/3 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to mix this all up until it's nice and crumbly. And then we're going to set this to the side and start our blueberries real quick. We're just going to throw our blueberries. We need about 2 cups of blueberries. And you're going to toss these in with a little bit of some flour just to coat them. And then we're going to go ahead and take our blueberries and we're going to slowly just fold these into our batter. Then we're going to go ahead and place our batter into a greased baking pan, and we're going to top this with our crumble topping that we made earlier. Once we have all of that all placed on the top, we're going to go ahead and throw this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when you can stick a toothpick in there and it comes out clean, and then the top will be nice and golden brown. We're going to let this cool, and then you can serve this by itself, or you can make up a quick little icing with some powdered sugar and milk and put it on top. I like mine just as is, just the blueberry buckle coffee cake by itself. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.